Alright, you tell Mommy what we need to do to fix the Wii. What you think we need to do.
To clean.
Okay? Or rather, tell Daddy. Okay, what do we need to do? First, we need to...
Clean.
Okay, what did you say we need to do next?
Fix the Wii.
Okay.
I can't remember.
What game do you want to play on it?
Super Mario Bros.
Super Mario Brothers? It says Bros, I know, but it's short for Brothers. That's what you want to play on the Wii? Did you find that game this morning? You want to tell Daddy how you feel about Mario Odyssey right now?
No.
Are you bored with it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did you tell Mommy yesterday?
Super Mario Odyssey doesn't play Wii.
No, but doesn't.
They play Mario Party 9.
Uh-huh. Did you tell Mommy yesterday you were bored with Mario Odyssey?
No.
Oh, you're not bored with it? I thought you said you're bored with Mario Odyssey.
No.
No? Now you make Mommy out to be a liar?
They play Mario Party 9.
Yeah? You gotta tell Daddy anything else?
I don't want Mario Party. I don't want Mario Party. Wait. I want Bowser Party.
You want Bowser Party?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ooh. I'll be Bowser.
You'll be Bowser?
Yes.
Anything else you want to tell Daddy?
That was hard.
That was hard? Do you want to tell Daddy anything else? No, louder.
I don't know.
You gotta say it louder so we can hear you.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you? What else?
I don't know.
You don't know? Say it loud. Love you.
Love you.
Alright, you want to tell Daddy anything else?
Yes.
What? What do you want to tell Daddy? Are you all done?
I like Super Mario Bros. Super Mario Bros. Super Mario Bros.
For the Wii?
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, for the Wii. Alright, I'm gonna send this to Daddy, okay?
Yes.
Done?
Yes.
Okay.